please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks. What's going on, folks? It's Platinum again, back with another video, back with another winter build series for the Raod King Special. My other video, you saw I put on the floorboards. Well, I didn't really show putting them on, but I got the new floorboards and the new shifter pegs, so we got those put on. Today we're going to be putting on some other stuff. We also got some other parts in that are going to be part of another build series. But I just wanted to come to you guys with this video and kind of show you what I'm doing and show you the install. There's a ton of installs on how to do this type of install, so I'm not going to really get into detail, but I'll at least do like a time lapse of me putting it on. So let's get you flipped around and show you what I got. All right, there we are. So we are putting a new tail light on the Raod King Special. This is the Latitude by Ciro3d. It's that guy there. I didn't get the side skirts, but it's just that guy there with the license plate frame. This is actually color I got black. And this is also their new one. So if you look closely, see if you can see that. That says Latitude tail light and license plate mount with Lightstrike Technology. So this is a new technology from Ciro3d. I'll kind of go into more detail once I get it installed, but essentially you can do different tricks and different light patterns and stuff with the tail light, like startup sequences and things of that sort. So, just a little cool touch. I thought that'd be sweet. You also see there what we got there. Oh boy, I think y'all know the idea. You know the idea. But this is gonna be another build, so we're not putting that on today. We also got a new filter, which is gonna be part of another build series. But anyway, don't want to talk too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed, and then we'll come back and I'll show you all the features and stuff like that. All right, thanks for watching. All right, let's get this thing opened up. We have a knife right now, so we're just gonna use a screwdriver. Let's see what we got. So I got this directly from Ciro3d. I'll put a link in the description. I don't have any affiliate links just yet, but I'm all about helping people out, so I'll put a link to the description and you can get it. Now they also sell this on like JP Cycles and Revzilla and things of that sort, but it does not have, they don't have the Lightstrike version just yet. This is only straight from Ciro3d if you want to get the Lightstrike version. And again, once you see what it does, you may want to get it. Not a ton of videos out there yet on it, because I think it's fairly new. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. There we go. So we got our curved license plate. That's gonna look sweet. So here's what I got set up now. It's just your standard. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so your standard, 2 lights. I did put the custom dynamic tail lights in there. Oh, the light is kind of bright. Let's turn that down a little bit. There we go. So yeah, got the custom dynamic lights in there, and then I took off the little reflector that comes with it. But this is a curved mount, so it's going to kind of go there, and then the light will be there. So it'll kind of clean up the back a little bit. I'm still going to have my bag lights on there that'll still be there, so that'll still help with the the lighting in the rear. So yeah, we're gonna get that installed, and we'll come back and show you guys how it looks. So yeah, got the license plate. Here's the actual light itself. Oh, that looks sick. Nice mounting stuff, and here's your plug and play harness and manual. All right, so I'm gonna get it in, and then I'll be back. So here's the finished product. I got it kind of dark in here right now so y'all can see the lights, but actually let me turn this light on real quick so y'all can see what we looking like. So yeah, look at that. Definitely cleans up the rear end a lot. There's the side profile. Nice and clean. I gotta wash the bike obviously, but nice and clean. Alright, then here's what happens when you turn it on. Again, I'm gonna play with the settings a little bit and see which one I like the best, but here we go. Hope y'all can see that. Nice. So I still got my bag lights from Custom Dynamics. I love those. I would be interested to see if Ciro3d comes out with some bag lights that have the Lightstrike in it. I may have to go ahead and swap those out for those, because this technology is amazing. As you saw in before the break and stuff like that. But yeah, so thanks for watching. All right, so again, thanks for watching. Definitely appreciate you. This is, again, I think this is build series number 2. The first one was the floorboards and stuff. This is the second one. We got a few more coming up with some more things that I'm doing to my Raod King Special. All right, y'all stay safe. Have Happy New Year. If this comes out before New Year, Happy New Year. If it comes out after, Happy belated New Year. I did record it before New Year, but it is what it is. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And again, like I always say, this is something fun I like to do, and I really appreciate everybody that watches the videos and provides comments and likes it. And yeah, so we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.